Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a detailed exploration of the rate of change within the context of indicator value and its impact on backtesting results. Rate of change is a technical indicator used to measure the speed of price or indicator changes over a given time period. ROC represents the rate of change by calculating the percentage change between the current price or indicator value and a previous price or indicator value. The formula for rate of change is calculated by subtracting the past value from the current value, then dividing the result by the past value, and finally multiplying the quotient by 100. For instance, assuming the conditions set the ROC period to 10 bars, with the current indicator value at 50 and the indicator value for the previous 10 trading periods at 40, the ROC is 25%. Now, let's look at an example from sample backtests. We have copied a backtest using the rate of change conditions in sample backtests, involving the rate of change over a 30-bar period. Specifically, the entry conditions require the rate of change value over a 30-bar to be greater than 0, the 20-day moving average to be greater than the 30-day moving average, and both of these conditions need to be met on the same day. Now, click the Run Backtest button to initiate the analysis. Once it's complete, you'll be taken to the Results tab, where the outcomes will be showcased. Let's take a look at the chart, where the white line represents the 20-day moving average, and the red line represents the 30-day moving average. Clearly, on November 1st, both the conditions of the 20-day moving average being greater than the 30-day moving average and ROC being greater than 0 were simultaneously met, leading to a purchase on the next trading day. Now, let's verify the ROC value on November 1st. The value for the previous 30 trading days, as of September 20th, was 384.09, and on November 1st, it was 384.52. By calculating the ROC, it is 0.112%, confirming that the value is accurate. It is important to note that ROC is a short-term indicator and sensitive to market noise. Therefore, it should be used in conjunction with other indicators and analysis tools to obtain more accurate trading signals and decisions. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on explaining rate of change. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.